Namaskar, I am Dr.suresh and today we are going to discuss about the data analysis tools, what if analysis, which is in chapter 8 of Business Data Analytics, NEP 2020, semester 5 of Commerce syllabus. So, what if analysis is a mean to think about and respond to potential modification to a business plan. See, sometimes what happens is that there are situations which cannot be accurately predicted. So you need to have different scenarios. You may have different conditions. So for those situations where uncertainties may prevail in future, you need to have backup plans. And for that, we are going for what if analysis. And if you'll see, there are three types of tools under what if analysis. One is goal seek, and second one is scenario manager, and third one is data table. So first we'll go for goal seek. Goal seek is all about you will be fixing the goal, the output, and on the basis of output, what should be the input that we are going to predict. So that is what goal seek function is. Now suppose I'll go for this example that mm, you are currently, suppose unit sold is 250 at the rate of 40.5, revenue is 20,125. How you have calculated? 250 into 40.5 is equal to 10,125. The question is, if you want to have a revenue goal of 21,100, then what will be the unit to be sold? We are assuming that price will remain constant. So see how to be done. uh, it is 250. Okay, so current position is 250 units sold at 40.5, total revenue is 10,125. The question is to get the revenue of 21,100, how much units to be sold? So what to be done is go to goal seek, and in setup cell click this one, because we want a revenue of how much. We want a revenue of, suppose, 21,100, and by changing which cell, not price, we're going to change the unit sold. So how much units to be sold to get a target value of 21,100? So you'll get a value of 520.98, approximately 521. So you need to sell 521 units at the rate of 40.5 to get a revenue of 21,100. So this one is the easier one. Then goal seek 2, what is that? Now see, there are 5 products A, B, C, D, E. Values are this 2,140. So you want to calculate that. If you want to have a total values of 3,030, then what will the value of E? Okay, what is the value of product E to be sold, suppose? So what you have to do is go to whatever analysis, goal seek. Now you need to set this cell, and you are not need to this set to the value of 3030 by changing which cell? By changing this cell. It's cell EB6, which is the value for E. Then you have to click OK, and you'll see that it will give the result of 890. So if you'll sell 890 worth of E product, then you will have a total value of 3030. Goal seek 3, what is this? This is all about the interest. Okay, interest amount. You can see this is goal seek sum is calculated. Aim to find the rate of interest. Okay, usually apply a PMT function. So 2 lakh is the total loan amount. The terms in month is 150, 150 months to repay the loan amount. Excel assumes that this rate of interest is 0. So if rate of interest is 0, 150 months is a term, then probably it will give a value of 1333.33 rupees uh, as the payment. Okay. So what is the formula? PMT is equal to PMT B3 by 12. B3 is nothing but the rate of interest divided 12, comma B2, comma B1. Okay. Now, suppose you want to make a payment of 3000 rupees. Okay. Then what will be the rate of interest? Okay. So you have to go to again goal seek, and you have to click this payment amount and how much you are willing to pay per month. You are going to pay per month 3000 units by changing cell the rate of interest. Okay. So you are going to, by changing cell means the cell that you want to change or the input, you can say that. So to get a, to pay amount of 3000, always remember it has to be minus, because you're going to pay it. So it is minus 1003, minus 3000. So once you'll click it, you'll get the value of rate of interest. How much? 15.31 percentage. So if you're paying 3000 rupees, that means you are paying at the rate of 15.31 percentage. Then next one is sales is given. This is probably the quarterly sales. So there are 3 quarters. Sales are given, profit in percentage have been given, and net profit is given. Remember that net profit is B2 sales amount into profit percentage. So 2 lakh into 0.12, 2 lakh, 20 lakh into 0.12, 2 lakh 40,000, 30 lakh into 0.13, 3 lakh 90,000, 10 lakh into 0.11, 1 lakh 10,000. Similarly, this one also you have to put the formula B5 into C5, and the question is, if you are adding this 3 quarters net profit, you are getting a value of 7,40,000. The question is, how much sales we require so that our net profit will be, after 4th quarter, it will be 10 lakhs. Okay. So for that, what I have to do is go to again. So remember that 3 quarters net profit is 7,40,000. The question is, to get a net profit of 10 lakhs, what should be the total net profit of 10 lakhs? What should be the amount of sales in quarter 4? Okay, so goal seek again. So remember that you are going to select this cell, uh, D6. Then you have to value how much. We are going for the value of 10 lakhs. 1 2 3 4 5 6, by changing cell, this cell. Okay, so remember that set cell means we are setting the cell of D6 up to how much? 10 lakh rupees is the value that you require. By changing which cell? Sales amount. Click on OK, and the goal 6 status will be shown. And now you can see that to get a net profit of, total net profit of 10 lakhs, you need to have a sales of 1,50,743 point. So it is round figure. So the net profit of quarter 4 is coming 2,60,000. It is 14% profit, means 14% of 1,85,000, 18,57,143. So you can see that your goal seek, the set of value is 10 lakh, and to get that you need to sell 18,57,143 amount of products to get a net profit of 2,60,000, which will give you result of 10 lakhs. So thank you.